Hey guys, I decided to make this a quick tip video. It's going to be a quick combination of quick tip and tool video. Y'all see some other quick tips, you'll understand why. But anyway, I just want to make a video talking about these Metal Max. The brand probably is not that critical. This just happened to be the ones I'm using. But these are diamond tip, or diamond edge as they call it. I just started using these recently and they really impressed me. And there's several reasons why. Now this ain't going to be a direct comparison between these two. If you want to see that, look up the Project Farm video. He did a really good job of accurately comparing different brands of disc and these. But this is just going to be more of a passing along the tip of using these. But and talking about the advantages and disadvantages of them. But the main advantage over these get worn down too much. As you see the one that's on my grinder, as these wear down, they keep getting smaller, and that makes it a lot harder to use. So you can see this disc started out the same as this one here, and you can see how smaller it gets. The main advantage with these, besides the fact that they last a lot longer compared to the regular abrasive wheels, they stay the same size as they wear. And even after the diamond wears off, they still cut to a certain point. You can still cut like real thin sheet metal with it. Real slow and it will heat up, but you can still use it. But these last a lot longer. I thought it was all just talk, you know, saying that these last longer, but it's true. They hold up a lot better. And if you notice this 6-inch one, I'm going to be putting it on my little chop saw, little metal cutoff saw. And the problem with this, another advantage with the metal, with these Metal Max, these blades will flex some. And sometimes if you're cutting a real thick piece of metal, this blade will flex, and if you don't pay attention, it's going to start going like that and almost get like a curve cut on there, and that's annoying. So that's going to be that's the main reason for that I got that, because the abrasive wheel's been holding up for a long time on it, so it's not used very often. But I'm going to do a couple different cuts with the angle grinder and this on the little cutoff saw, just to show you that they cut pretty good. And the only disadvantage I see with these, it is a lot slower cut. It takes longer to cut the same as it would with one of these. And this is off a steel ramp, and I'm cutting this in 2 spots because I need these plates for something else, and this was just an extra one. It was all bent and everything anyway. So I figured it'd be a good test to use the angle grinder. I'm not going to show the whole cut. We're just going to start it more or less on the camera. Then for the chop saw, we'll just cut a little bit off of this. You can see how that cut at an angle. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's why that blade was flexing. So that'd be a comparison to that. So let's get started on it. Don't forget your safety glasses. Go ahead and put them on. And this goes on the exact same as a regular abrasive wheel does. There's no difference. Alright, I got a new abrasive wheel on here. Let's just try that just to get an idea. I'll show you how faster it cuts. We're not timing none of this. I'm just trying to demonstrate a little bit. You see it is faster, but I'm having more trouble keeping it going straight than I am with the metal one. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting this. And this heats up more too than the abrasive wheel does, than the diamond wheel does. Okay, this was cut with the Metal Max, and this was cut with the abrasive wheel. You see there is a difference in finish. Not that either one's really better than the other, but I noticed that the The Metal Max leaves more of a burr on there, quite a bit more than this is. You can see it right there. But you know, it's 2 seconds on the grinder. You're going to take care of that. But I had better luck keeping it straight with the metal one than I did the abrasive wheel. That might have been because this was going with a little bit faster cut than this. I don't know. But it is something to note. Like I said, that's the main reason I got that for the cutoff saw too, which we're going to get ready to try that out real quick. Kind of an interesting way they did that, just to use it more or less as an alignment. All the force will be spread out on it. Alright, first cut with the 6-inch Metal Max on the cutoff wheel. As you can see, it's still a little hot. Looks like it did a lot better than the other one. The left side is the was cut just now. This was cut with the abrasive wheel. Same tool cut that, and give you an idea. Like I was saying, your abrasive wheel flexes and you don't even really realize it. But that's a lot better. It's a lot smoother cut too. Just an overall better cut, and I like it better. Well guys, if you got any questions or comments about the Metal Max or the Diamond Edge blades, feel free to leave a comment below. I highly recommend it. Yeah, it does cost a lot more, but they last a lot longer. And like I said, the main advantage I've seen, besides lasting longer, is they stay the same size. So like on this, this is a 6-inch saw, so you're cutting probably a maximum of 2.5, 2 3/4 inch. But the problem is, when that abrasive wheel wore down, at the end you couldn't cut nothing thicker than like an inch or so. This way it's going to stay the same throughout the whole life of the blade. So that's the main upgrade. So that's the main advantage I see. And I don't know, just better to me. And yeah, it's expensive, but it lasts longer and better cut too. So, well guys, thanks for watching. If you got, like I said, if you got any questions or comments, feel free to leave that below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.